So brothers and sisters, how you doing? We are still in heavy development within this music theory application. I had to backtrack a little bit to take care of something, and it happens to be the fretboard for the bass and the guitar. If you look at my previous video, you'll understand that there is a lot of padding on the top and the bottom of both the bass and the guitar, which is not good. We just have to have the fretboard on there and nothing else, right? That's it. That's all we want. We don't want any fucking extra shit because we need as much room as possible for the user interface to be present in your eyes rather than a bunch of fucking nothing. And today we're going to fix this in real time. I mean, I already did it to the guitar, but let's look at the bass for a second, shall we? See? As you can tell, the bass notes are all fucked up. So each note on the fretboard is calculated by percentages. 10% from the top, 30% to the right. Each and every note is calculated in such a way. Clearly, they're no longer in the right position. And let me drag the code over. See? Each one of these positions are hard-coded into this array with objects specifying each X and Y position of every note. And what we have to do now is update that. And am I going to write this shit by hand? Hell no. We're going to do it another way. We're going to hack the website. So in order to do that, I'm going to go into the console on the right-hand corner right here. Type in GTN and make each of them draggable. Hit enter. Did you know that you can do that? You can fuck people's websites up for fun just by going into the console and type in all sorts of fucked up shit. It's ridiculous. Anyways, check it. We can drag each note into the proper position now. And we're going to do that for the next 5 minutes or so, but I'm going to fast forward it. All right, let's watch these notes shift for the next 25 seconds. In the meantime, how's the weather, bitch? Did you know that asshole smells like shit? If YouTube was a real platform, I would be able to make a fucking clickbait video titled 30 Things You Didn't Know About Pussy, 30 Things You Didn't Know About Dick. Jokes aside, let's wake the fuck up, peoples. Let's wake the fuck up. Silicon Valley stealing all our shit and fucking profiting off of it. All of our art, our music, and all this fucking shit. Fuck that. They're steering around the copyright laws and fucking us all, so fuck these fucking pieces of shit. We need to kill these motherfuckers. I'm just kidding. But I still hope they die. People who ruin the planet don't deserve to live. Alright, now that we're done moving all the notes, there is now a big problem. When you turn something into a draggable element and you move it around, it converts it from percentage-based values into pixel values. And you know what happens in pixel values? That shit is a fixed position. So when you zoom in and out, that shit is no longer in place. See that? That is not good. And I have a solution to the problem right here, and it is called process note positions function. What it does is it takes each and every element in question, analyzes its pixel position, and recalculates it back into percentages. It's pretty simple. It does it one string at a time. And how do we use this? The same way that we activated the draggable elements. We go right into the console and type that shit right in. We first type in the function, then we type in the string that we want to change, and then we type in the container in which the string is inside of. Hit enter, and what we have here is the data that we want. All 24 notes on the string. And now what I can do is I can right-click the data, copy it as an object, go right into my editor, scroll all the way to the top, and then paste the first string right in, replacing all of the old data. And we have to do this for every string, so let's replace string 0 to string 1, and then copy this one right there. Go from string 0 now to string 1, paste that right in there, and now we have new data for string 1. Go back in here, run the function again for string number 2, copy the data, go back into the editor, do our replace. One more string number 3. You know what I'm saying? 0, 1, 2, 3 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 because we're programming. Then drag our editor in right there and replace string number 3 with the new data. All right, moment of truth. Let's refresh the browser and see if all of the positions are correct. And as you can see, all there. And also, when you zoom in and out, you see that they all retain position properly. And there's one more thing that I want to do, however, is that the array right here looks very, very, very extended. And I want that shit to look a little bit more compact. So we're going to copy the whole entire thing. Then we're going to paste it right into ChatGPT and just tell it to rewrite it so that it is more compact. And now we watch it print it all out nice and clean. Copy that shit, move back into the editor, and paste it right in to replace this gigantic monstrosity. And that concludes today's live coding video. All right, now for an honest sponsorship. For me, Not for anybody else. You really think I want to sell you somebody else's fucking garbage that nobody wants? You can joke about not wanting my shit either, but look what I just showed you, and look what I showed you in the last video. This music theory application is just one of many things that are going to be coming your way. We need to learn to respect education. Why the fuck are teachers paid the least when they're the fucking ones raising our kids who are not the parents? You know what I'm saying? It's like they might not do the right thing all the time, but they're the fucking first line of defense for our children. With that said, why the fuck are they paid the least? Why the fuck is it that artists are always fucking being exploited by everybody when we're the ones who fucking make you see and hear every single fucking thing that you fucking see and hear? I got friends and family that are fucking dickheads who don't fucking respect me because I don't have money. It's like, yo, even if I did have money, whatever the fuck that I say and do is not going to change. I got more respect for my teachers, my musicians, and my artist friends than any of these fucking billionaires that you're sucking the dick of right now. What have these motherfuckers done for you except make products fucking shittier so that you're fucking miserable on social media and all that fucking dumb shit? Probably nothing, right? Like, we can't be sucking this corpo dick anymore, man. We need to take initiative, have more people create things for people. Because we gotta face it, man. The products that we're using right now are not for the fucking people. It's not for the betterment of humanity. It's for the betterment of their own profits. Let's get this fucking shit straight here, though. If you want to see advancement in anything, don't wait for these motherfuckers. Try to find people who are looking to make you a better human being, like Daft Punk, better, faster, stronger. My site, destined to be thedreamstrata.com, is going to be a place with educational tools such as this music theory application, among other things. It's not meant to be a replacement for social media or anything of the sort, but it is going to host plenty of things that are just impossible to put on social media because you can't. How are you going to put your own fucking program in social media? It doesn't fucking work like that. You need your own place to host your own shit. And why the fuck does nobody have any pride in doing that anymore? You all fucking forgot that you can buy your own plot of land on the internet. Why are we all fucking huddling into fucking government housing complexes on the internet? That shit is so fucked up. Gigantic corporations erased that part of our brain and just replaced it with something else without us even putting any thought into it whatsoever. I'm not saying that these big platforms are useless, but they've gotten way fucking shittier in comparison to when Facebook was using Open Graph software, you know what I'm saying? It's like, if you fucking been around for this shit, you know that shit has gone to shit. And this is where we come in. Not just me, but we. Not just me! We, motherfucker, we! Us! The tools that I'm creating under the Dream Strata are very much going to be for creators as well as educators. And as we move along, I'll be creating a rather robust member profile system so that you can better express yourselves. And the community infrastructure is going to be implemented in such a way that it is going to be more engaging than just pressing like in whatever the fuck we're doing right now. You know what I mean? It's got to be more than that. Because what I want to change about it is that I don't want people to win from popularity. I want people to win for participating, acknowledging other folks and celebrating one another and shit like that. And the main page of Dream Strata itself is going to be some crazy shit, man. It's going to be this interactive art book with games and, well, just a multimedia extravaganza starring Kill and all of my characters that I've drawn throughout my life and stuff like that. Once I finish the site, all of its infrastructure and whatnot, that will be the thing that I will be updating through the course of time. I can do all this stuff by myself without anybody's help. For the people in my life who don't respect me enough because I don't fucking earn any money, my competency means less to you because of that, and that's fucking stupid. So for anybody who's already past that, those who respect me even if I don't have a fucking dime to my name, financial backing and support is the one thing that I need from anybody right now. I'll do absolutely everything else. Everything. You don't have to do shit besides fucking drop a couple dollars. Not only that, I'll give you the early adopters credit in one way or another, you know what I'm saying? I'll make you look pretty on the site and all that shit. As you can see, I'm a developer, so I can take the Patreon API and turn your subscription status into a perk, and among so many other things. It's like I can do so much fun stuff for us. And that is the whole entire point of this shit. It's to create education and fun for all of us. Let us remember what it means to have a good place on the internet. And as I mentioned Patreon, right? That's where you can drop those dubs, you know what I'm saying? Drop them dollars at Patreon. I got a lot of blurbs on there that kind of reveal the fucked upness of this world, while at the same time also embracing all the good things about it. Each and every tier does the same thing. It's like you're paying attention to my shit. It's like I'm not treating any of you any differently because you're giving me more or less money. But if $100 feels like $10 to you and it's a fucking flex, then give me $100 fucking dollars a month or some shit. You fucking rich bastard. So how was that for a sponsorship? It was like half the fucking video. Quite different than everybody else's, right? Honest, I ain't selling you no fucking bullshit. We're selling you real things, man. Real shit for real people, real talk, and real everything. For the betterment of all of us, for the betterment of the internet. Because the technology is here and we should be taking advantage of the stuff. So help me help you take advantage of the stuff. Link to the Patreon in the description below. You see, I don't ask anybody for anything. I just do everything on my own. And that's probably why I don't have anything, because the most shameless motherfuckers always get everything. They're always in your face about bullshit. It's like they can't get me to fucking support them, but like they get everybody else too, and it's fucking sad. So help a person who doesn't fucking ask much of you. Because I'm here for the long run, to give us the things that we need, not necessarily the things that we want right now, but the things that we need for tomorrow and forever. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.